All right, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be creek fishing, a little creek. I'll see you when we get there. All right, here we are, as you can see right there. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna be using worms, right? And we're gonna start off the bridge and then we're gonna work our way down over to the bank over there. Let's get right to it. There's our bait. Oh, I just pooped on me, look at that. Ew. Actually never tried worm here. I've only used artificial lures. And they've worked pretty well, so we will see what this does. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's horrible, dude. All right. First cast, see if we can't get anything. Looks like it's a little high today. Oh, he had a fish. Oh, he had another fish. I think we have a little bit too much worm on. Oh, there's a dead fish over there. Maybe I should have brought a bobber. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, he's a little one. Look at that. Oh, it's a shiner. This is the second time I've caught a shiner out of here. This is like perfect bait size too. Look at how pretty that fish is. Whoa, almost dropped him. I've only caught a few of these. Super pretty fish. And back he goes. Oh, that was a perfect release. Just gonna drop it straight down and see what happens. Oh my gosh, I had a fish right off the bat. I have a fish. There we go. Look at that. A creek chub. Man, they're loving these worms, dude. There we go. Look at that pretty little fish. Back he goes. Oh. I want to see if I can catch another one of those shiners. Those are cool looking fish. I've only ever caught one other one here. Let's see if because they're right along that ridge. Oh, he stole my worm, dang it. Look at that. Crazy. After a little bit, actually maybe not, because that looks like lots of really ticky area, just tons of ticks back there. But you know what? We're gonna risk it, because the creek runs back this way and back there, and then also goes back that way again. But there's a little spot over there where it's kind of deep, and there are a ton of fish back there. I've been back there a couple times when the vegetation wasn't that deep, but yeah. But what I'm doing here is I'm letting it sit for a second. Oh, it's a baby snapping turtle. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's right there. That is really cool. That is so cool. I have no idea if you guys can see that or not. Oh, we have a fish. Man, it got off and then it came back on. Man, okay, I'm gonna go back in the footage and I'm gonna see if I can zoom that in, because that is so cool. I've seen snapping turtles here before, like over in that little circle right there. But, oh my gosh, this is a fat and slimy fish. Yeah. He won't come off. Oh, he peed all over me. Ew. Dang. Man, he was not happy. That was an unhappy fish. Let's see if I go over here, see if we can find him again. Where's he at? Mr. Fish, or Mr. Turtle, I guess. Not sure where he went. Let's try this side, though. There's fish over here. I've only caught a few, though. like 2. What the heck? How do I even manage to catch a fish that small? Dude, the hook is like half the size of it. That's crazy. Look, that is a fat fish too. Oh my gosh. That thing is freaking chunky. Well, back he goes. Jeez, that is a chunky fish. I don't even know how I caught that thing. Yeah, I don't think there's too much action over here. I think it's all on the other side. But I want to go down over there, see where the stream ends. There's like a little pool over there, but that vegetation is terrible. So, and that's a like prime tick area. So we got to be wary of that because I forgot to put on tick spray today because I'm kind of dumb. That was a horrible cast. Turned into a great cast. Oh, I have a fish. There we go. Another little teeny shiner. That's really cool. Look at that. Man, these fish down here are thick. Jeez. How does that... It's like hooked in his brain. Poor dude. Turned his eye red. They almost look like little tarpon. Little poons. They're cool looking fish. Oh, and he's bleeding. Bye-bye. Alright, he ran us out of worm. Man, that's the third, crap, what are they called? Shiner I've caught here. I think that's what they're called. Correct me if I'm wrong. But they are cool fish. I don't know if they're big, like if that's a big shiner, because I've seen people on YouTube use them for bait. That's what I want to do. I want to grab one and use it for bait at a pond by my house. But I'm not sure if they're a bit too big for bait or... I'm not... Yeah. You guys let me know in the comments. Well, actually, I'll probably just cut that part out. But... There we go. Take that drag down just a little bit. There we go. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And comment what your favorite fruit is. Oh, no, that was a decent one, too. Oh, that's a... Oh, what in the world was that? That looked like a pike. Or northern. Little one. Oh, my gosh. Got the line wrapped all around my rod. That was definitely looked like northern, though. It's like right there. I'm not sure if I have video anymore, but this right here is actually really deep, like probably 7 feet deep. This little pool right here. It's crazy. And there's probably fish all the way down at the bottom too. Oh, there we go. Man, he hit that thing hard. Huh. Oh, I heard a plane inside of this. Oh my gosh. Look at the chunky on that fish, dude. Jeez. These fish must be... Oh. See ya. They must be getting ready to spawn. Because they are fat. Jeez. Like, even the little shiners are just gargantuous. Let's just drop it straight down right here in this corner. Oh, there we go. Our first bluegill of the day. Look at that. Man, that thing's got weird looking teeth. Bro, that dude's got teeth. There we go. 2 There we go. Cool looking little fish. Back he goes. That was loud. See, but I knew there was bluegill in here because last summer they were going crazy. Here we go. Gosh, they are aggressive. Oh my gosh. Quit flopping, dude. Here we go. Oh, there he goes. Fell out of my hand. Oh, there we go. Little creek chub again. So let's see. We've got 3 species so far. We've got bluegill, creek chub, and shiners. That's awesome. Oh, there he goes. Then just... Oh, what's that? Oh, here comes a car. That is a really long creek chub. Holy smokes. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, here comes a car. Oh. There's the release with the car in the back. Oh, they just turned right into this driveway over here. Man, that was a big creek chub, though. That's probably one of the biggest ones I've ever caught out of here. Oh, that's a bite. Oh, no. We're snagged. Gosh dang it. This is my only hook I brought. I didn't bring a tackle box today. Because I've never gotten snagged here. Oh, I got it out. I think. No. My sinker's gone. Dang. Well, at least I got my hook back. It just took my sinker. Still catches fish though. Look at that teeny creek chub. That's so much fun, dude. All right. I think that's enough fishing off the bridge. We are gonna go try and fight through this tick brush, which is prime tick area. This is gonna be horrible. Here we go. Just let that float down. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, we got a fish. My gosh, they're so small, dude. They must be in the middle of spawning. Because some of them are fat and some of them are really teeny. Check the bike. Nobody's trying to steal it. We're good. Back he goes. Thank you, little buddy. All right. There's only that one little fish over here. So we are going to move down a little bit further into this way. Kind of stray away. My gosh, there's a river right here with long grass. Guess what that means? Ticks. Hey. Oh my gosh. I know why we're not catching anything over here. They're just so small. Like, look how teeny that guy is. That's like bait. Oh my gosh. We are definitely going back up to the bridge. Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh my gosh. That's probably the biggest one we've ever caught here. Actually, I don't know. That is, oh, dang. He was a chunky fish. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Oh my gosh. I got another little teeny creek chip. Oh my gosh. They don't even like put up a fight or anything. They're teeny. Like a rock though. Oh, he's pretty floppy. And this little bit of worm, like if I just put a teeny little bit on there, it absolutely destroys my casting distance. Like 0 casting capabilities whatsoever. But they get the hook so much easier. See? Look at that. Oh my gosh, this one's even, I think this is the smallest one we've caught. Right to the eye. Actually, I don't know. The ones over there were pretty small too. Oh, bye. My gosh. Oh, it's a shiner. Yes. That is a fat belly shiner, dude. Man, these things are so pretty. Oh, flopping again. Let's go. They're really pretty. I should bring a cast net here. Oh. All right, back he goes. Oh. I'm so sorry for that fish. Spin here. Also only used artificial bait here. There we go, another fish. I think I found the honey hole. Ah! That hook just about went in my arm, or in my hand. Same thing. Oh. There we go. Back he goes. Another belly flop. He deserved it. He smacked my hand. Actually, that's my bad. I caught him, so we're even. Oh, I got another. What is this? Oh, it's another little bluegill. Awesome. Actually, I think these are called green-eared sunfish. They're cool-looking critters. There we go. All right, get a release. It took it and ran with it and peeled the line like crazy. Dude, what is this? Oh my gosh. They're teeny. Look at how small that is. They're so fat, though. That is a fat, teeny fish. Dude, these teeny little... Oh my gosh, these are so funny. First time I caught one of these, I thought it was a trout. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.